Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the start of a new series that I am so excited for. It is how to be a business babe, how to be a girl boss, all of those things. I haven't decided a title yet, it'll be here. And today we're gonna be talking about networking because I feel like it's such a scary word and it's such a professional word. Like I got my blazer on today, we're gonna be talking about networking, but it is totally fine. And I'm gonna give you some of my tips for overcoming the fear of networking, whether that is online networking, in-person networking, and these skills will help you with anything like interviews or just meeting new people, being in a professional setting, whatever you need. First, let's talk about what is networking in case you don't know what it is and you've never heard that term. So I guess it is a more of a professional business term, career term, and it is basically where you make connections, this is my own definition, where you make connections with other individuals to collaborate, connect, or learn about each other's careers. The reason I think everyone should be building their network, no matter your age, you can start when you're 30, when you're 20, when you're 10 years old. You can start really whenever building your network just by making relationships. That's really what you're doing. Now, there's so many things that go into the bad perception of networking, but I'm here to shut those down today because yes, there can be situations and there can be things you don't want to do in networking, but it can also be an amazing way to build your network, to build your community, to collaborate with others so that they're benefiting you, but you're also benefiting them. And it's just a great way for us business individuals to work together. And I personally love networking with women and, women in the same mindset that I am. That is what networking is. Now let's talk about how you can network. There's a few different ways. First off, there is the basic networking events, in-person things. So if you have a business or a business idea, there's entrepreneurship networking events. I am sure in your city or in a city near you, literally just search online. Those maybe can be a little bit boring though. It's just walking around with a cup of coffee and business cards, and that can be really good and maybe you should start there. But there's also more fun ways that you can get involved and network with people in your community. It's funny, I actually started networking when I was about 12 when my friend Taylor and I had our Etsy shop and we went to a craft convention. If you're a blogger, influencer, you have more of a creative business, there is also events for you where it's not super businessy and business attire as well. Look up just product launches. Maybe there's a local store opening near you and they're throwing a party. That's a great way to connect with other business owners. Well, I'm hosting an event. If you're in the Knoxville, Tennessee area, I'm hosting an event August 4th. Then there's also digital networking, which is super popular, especially if you have an online business or you're an influencer and you want to work with brands from another country or another state. So basically how you can reach out on there is, of course, LinkedIn. My LinkedIn is not as good as it should be, but you can create a LinkedIn account that's more of a professional, it's a professional social media. It's like social media for careers. And you can connect with brands and people on LinkedIn and they know it already is business. Or you can just do the regular social media route. So reach out to someone on Instagram, be very professional and just be like, hey, I see you're a photographer in my city. I would love to connect and learn more about what you do and see if we can collaborate on a photo shoot. Let's get coffee. Let me treat you to coffee. It can be as simple as an Instagram DM like that, or it can be as professional as an email or LinkedIn message, whatever you're up to. Another great way to network online is Facebook groups. If you have a Facebook and you want to get in and you want to get connected to a series of like-minded people, get in a Facebook group. There's literally one for anything, I will tell you. And if you're a boss babe, girl boss style, there are so many Facebook groups there. But yeah, it's a great way to make friends and network inside a social media platform that other women are going to do the same there as well. Now let's talk about the actual doing so. Going up, saying hi, how to get through that. So if you're at an event and you go there to network and you're like, okay, I'm learning a lot at this event, or it's at a coffee shop or whatever, and I heard about this person, I think they may be interested in what I do, I'm interested in what they do, or maybe you don't know anything about them and you just know you need to go up and talk. It is scary, believe me, but the great thing about networking events is probably everyone else there is scared too and a little bit nervous and a little bit awkward, and you all know it's going to be a little bit awkward, so it's okay if it is. Now, obviously, if you're extroverted, this is going to be a lot easier for you to do. Go up and say hi, introduce yourself. And if you're introverted, it is going to take some preparation. So I recommend, really getting in the mindset beforehand, even though I'm a little bit both of introverted and extroverted. What I do is like the night before, I have a really relaxing night for me time. So I will relax and take a bath and just kind of get centered. I won't go out the night before I have like a networking event because I want to save my energy for that morning or for that next day. So I'll save my energy in the morning. I'll do things I love. I'll stretch. I'll make my favorite cup of coffee or go get my favorite breakfast. And I make sure I'm prepared to go. I have my business cards. I have my outfit laid out. I have maybe some idea of who all's going to be there. So if I recognize someone, I can just go up and be like, oh my goodness, I love what you do about da da da. I'm prepared. You know, that's really what's going to help you if you're an introvert, is being prepared and saving your energy the day before for this event. Then right before I go into the event, I'm like, okay, girl, you got this. You are a boss, babe. Some other things to help you get in the mindset is to listen to a podcast on your way there, driving or in your headphones, and just get really inspired. Listen to your thing that motivates you. Maybe it's a book on tape. Maybe it is an awesome playlist or a podcast. Like, listen to whatever motivates you and listen to that right before you head into this event or to network. And then another tip is to dress to feel amazing in the way you look. So do your makeup how you like, do your hair how you like, wear an outfit that makes you feel like you are the bomb, you're $1,000,000, and then say a little mantra to yourself right before you walk in. Be like, I know I look good, I look like $1,000,000, I'm gonna go make $1,000,000, right? That's the mindset you gotta. Be your own coach. Like prep talk yourself up like you would your best friend, like before her first date. You know, you gotta talk yourself up. And then go in there and walk into the room like you own it. You know, even if you know you don't, walk in there like you do. Like, just explode with confidence, and you're gonna look confident, and everyone's be like, okay, who's this girl walking in here? Those are some cute business cards. And then the networking starts. So get your drink or your food, or if there's no food at the event, grab a seat, whatever you gotta do. Get your business cards ready, and then just walk up to someone. They all wanna talk. So if you see someone by themselves, walk up, extend your hand, give them a nice firm handshake, be like, hi, my name is Hannah Ashton, and this is what I do. What do you do? And then they, I'm sure, will love to talk about themselves. You exchange business cards. You talk about what you have in common. Maybe you're from the same town, or you like the same food, or you have the same coffee, like whatever it is. You find something in common, talk about it. And you know, the endings are kind of always awkward. It's just like, you know, the conversation's dying down and you want to move on to meeting the next person. You just be like, well, it was great meeting with you. If you ever want to grab coffee or hop on a phone call, I would love to talk to you more. And then she's like, great, thanks, bye, have a good day. And you're done, and you move on to the next person. And you do that for a while. So those are my tips for networking. Those were even tips, I don't know. That's what I do. That's a rundown of networking. It is super important if you have a business, or you want to learn, or you just want mentors, like whatever you want to get out of a networking event. I can tell you it is going to be beneficial. They're great, and they're also really inspiring. Working from home, you know, being a YouTuber, like I'm always on my computer, I'm always in this room working, and sometimes it feels like I'm the only one going through certain things. That's why I love events, to get out there, meet other people, meet other women who are doing something similar to me, and really connect and be like, okay, I'm not alone in this. Because yeah, social media is great, but sometimes you really just need to get out and meet people in your community and in real life who you can connect to. If you have any experience with networking or any tips, make sure to leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear that, and let me know what videos you guys want to see in this series. I'm gonna do one about style, one about headshots. We got lots coming up. Okay, I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, peace out.